Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, in this video I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to trade the VIX, the volatility index. What we're doing is we're going off these signals here. This is telling us that market is hunting stops, and that's your trade. What we wait for is this signal to fire over in the alerts log. This indicator and this indicator need to come together. This is giving us a 4-hour and a daily, meets certain criteria, it'll paint green. And this indicator down here tells us that the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily and the weekly, it's giving us the trends. We want the majority of these to be in favor of the trade. So we're looking for the majority to be green. We've got 3 out of 5 green. That's a trade. That's all. That's all we're looking for. These two indicators to come together, and we're looking for these dots. Now, if you see a dot, well, here's a dot here. We're not going to touch that. We need green, and then we have an opportunity. So we're looking for the green dots or the red dots. Okay, going back, let's have a look. Here's a trade here. There's your red dot. Now, here's the thing. This fired, that's strong. What we have is this chart pattern here. And if you jump on board with us, you can go to tradingwithanthony.com and have a look. From $19.95 a month, it's ridiculous. You can gain access to the indicators and our tutorials. In our advanced trading tutorials, we talk about where we see the market ranging, building liquidity either side of the range. This is what we call our fakey shaky. Right, we get a fake out, it draws short traders in, builds liquidity above in the form of stops, and then they take out stops. This signal, that's what we're looking for. If we see this pattern, and this is red, this one, okay, so the majority were green, but we can see here that 1, 2, 3 down is the 4 hour, that's red. You make a decision whether you want to take this trade or not. When we have the majority of these red with that, it's a stronger signal, of course. Okay, so it's just a matter of your criteria or ticking the check boxes. The stronger the signal, the higher the probability. Now here's a nice trade. Look at this. This is a perfect example of, we've just had a red bar. At this point here where this signal is, if we go down through here, we can see the majority are red. That's your trade. I mean, you can see the outcome. Look at that. I mean, here's the thing. Stop loss, very easy to work that out. If you've got this cloud, we've got this cloud here. If you've got the cloud above, your stop loss is going to go above the cloud. In this case, we don't. So what we do is we measure. Have a look left to where the signal is, and we're going to measure the width of the cloud here, the height of this range. That, plus a little bit more, will be a stop loss. Now let me show you what I mean with that. If we grab this measure tool here, this is just this guy. See, there's your signal. Go to the dot above, the dot below, plus a little bit. I mean, you can go exactly with the dots if you want. That would be perfectly fine. I like to go that little bit extra. That's your stop loss level, or your stop loss range. Anyway, there's another signal, and of course it just goes on and on. These are really nice setups. Look at this one here. What we do with this is we look to take 70% off at T1. T1 is going to be 1-to-1 risk reward. Take, well, 65%, 2/3 of your position, take that off there, pull your stop loss down to be in the money overall, and trail the rest. That's it. Now, how to gain access? Very simple. Head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. There's lots of interesting stuff here. We trade your Forex account. That could be of interest to you. Click on this FX Blue link and that'll show you the results that we're getting. You can connect your Forex account to ours. Back over to the website, info on our Forex signals here. Bit of a video on that, and of course, gain access to everything. We've got the TradingView indicators, VIP Telegram signals, and advanced trading tutorials, giving you everything you need from $19.95 a month. I'll let you do the math. There's some other options. So with that, guys, if you've gained some value from the video, smash the likes, leave a comment, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.